Okay.
Whole edge of your pumpkin. Then switch over to a sponge and fill everything in, leaving the eyelids.
Eh, more. Snazzy.
I feel like that's working, yeah?
I feel like that's working.
Using Snazaroo Dark Orange, add in some ridges to your pumpkin.
I'm having fun.
Just do as best as you can. I think that's
I'm
all
doing
you
like
can do.
best as I
As long as
can.
you're having fun, that's all that matters.
Yeah. Fill in under the eyes and on the eyelids, as you can see, and of course orange on the nose. Yeah. Great. Fill in the whole face with the orange, and it should look like this. And make sure it's symmetrical. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies. Now you get a darker orange or a red, and you sort of paint like lines on the face. It's like to give definition, and you know the lines of the pumpkin on the pumpkin. So kind of try and do it symmetrically and do like one under the, so from the forehead down, try and do 3 across the forehead, and then one under the eye, and then another one under the eye. So yeah, so you'll have 3 either side, the top, so that makes 6. And then yeah, just draw. You can kind of wing it, but like, you know, try and make it symmetrical because pumpkins are symmetrical. Yeah. Oh, so now to add definition to the pumpkin, we add some yellow in between the lines on the pumpkin, just to add definition. Yeah. Now you're gonna add your stalk to the pumpkin, the stem, I don't know. Anyway, and it's gonna be really cool because you're gonna, yeah, so get a green, get quite a like medium-sized brush, and you just get your green paint, put it on like so, and it should be good. So now, darlings, you get a black, a brush, you dip it in some black paint, and you just outline the whole pumpkin, the whole of the, oh, sorry. Actually, what you do is now we're going to sort of do the eyes of the pumpkin, which are kind of like triangular black things. So you don't be afraid with this. You just do a dot above your on your forehead above the eyebrow, and then you just bring it down in a triangular shape either side like that. And oh, on the nose you put a bit of black on triangle on the nose, and it looks really nice. Phoebe's loving this experience. It's really nice. Yeah. A warning to you guys, the black paint is very black, okay, so, and for some reason it didn't dry very quickly. It took absolutely ages to dry, so you have to be careful, okay, because, you know, anyway, you know. Now you're gonna sort of draw the mouth of the pumpkin, so it kind of goes up and down like castle turrets, up and then down, up, across, down, across, and then yeah, use your black obviously. Unless you want to use pink, you can do that, but normally you'd use black. So yeah, you do it at the top and the bottom, and you just go all the way along, and you go to the outside of the mouth. Then you kind of do your own thing, but make sure it's black, okay? Yeah. Oh, now you fill it in which is important if you want the full black emo effect. If you want to be an emo, you know, I know, and just fill it in. It might go in their mouth, it might be unpleasant, but it's totally worth it for the experience and the fun that we had. I had a fun time doing this because I'm not a professional. Oh, now you add your you add your outline on the stalk. So what you do is you outline the hole, so you go up, across, down to outline that, and then you sort of do a circle inside, like a semicircle, to like give an 3D aspect. So you go like across there. Oh, and then you do like a little circle the other way around. Yeah, I mean, if it's too hard, don't do it, but I thought this was going to be harder than it is. It's really simple. So, and then you do some more lines for definition down the 3 lines I mentioned before. You just do that again. We're almost done. Now what we do is we dip into our green, and we do on the stalk, we do some curly whirlies on the, yeah, just coming off the stalk for some, reason, like that. And then the other side, okay, okay. And then the other side you do, oh my goodness, a kiss, okay. You don't have to kiss this person, but you know. Okay. Oh, thank you guys for watching, and I hope I see you next time. Maybe subscribe?